Oh, look, the lights are on Regent Street. Christmas lights have been turned on. Well, good evening everybody, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the Christmas lights are on in Regent Street. This is actually my first time recording a video for quite some time now. I've just not been inspired. Kind of lost my my motovlogging mojo for a bit here. Hopefully I'll regain it now. Come on. Anyway, yes, it's a Thursday. It's a tube strike day. Traffic this morning was a complete and utter nightmare. Blocked. People seeking cars and other modes of getting into work, and I'm expecting that going home is also going to be a bit of a pain in the backside. But oh, look, the spirit of Christmas lights are on down there as well. I guess I'm gonna have to do a new version of the Christmas lights video, similar to what I did last year. Well, this time on the Himalayan, but I'm gonna have to wash it first. It's just filthy. We've had a lot of rain in the last couple of weeks. A lot of rain, always wet. A lot of filthy water and spray from the dirty roads. I ended up with a crusty and salty helmet as well, but let's not talk about that. Well, there may be traffic, but it's still better to commute by bike, I think, than by tube, especially when there is no tube because they're on strike. I think they time these lights deliberately so that every single one of them is red. Not, you know, if you do 20 and you leave a red set of red lights, you can actually make it through a set of, you know, a few greens. No, every single one is going to be red. Maybe I spoke too soon. Anyway, yes, this morning was fun. We had a little bit of the filtering races going on. I might put some footage here showing how I was progressing doing my normal thing. Ooh. Try not to kill someone or anyone, ideally. Doing my slow, safe and legal filtering. And some of the other scooter riders and whatever were doing all the nonsense stuff, going past the stop line, going on amber, going around keep left signs, doing all sorts of rubbish, and guess what? I was always catching them with the next set of red lights. Hello, twats. Yeah, I'm still here. So you can always have a little bit of fun and a little bit of focusing on different things and different techniques, even if the traffic is atrocious and the driving is atrocious and even worse. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't do this. This is going to be a terrible day for commuting. It's going to be very slow. It's going to be a complete and utter slog. There's all sorts of chaos going on. I might actually get out and push. It might be better in some instances to just walk across these lights, pushing the bike like a push bike. And pick my way through this. So, how's your day going? How's your week going? See here? Seriously. I'm gonna walk. I can walk across here. Walk across here. Another set of lights. I'd have been stuck there like forever just to make this corner. So another advantage of a motorcycle is that you can pick it up. Alright. So that's one way of getting around traffic. Get up and push. Contribute to the step count, do a bit of exercise, you know. It's an active transportation mode. Oi. Good aerobic exercise, that. Have you ever done something like this? I mean, so long as you're not sitting astride your bike. I mean, I didn't even have to switch it off. Technically, I still prefer to. I don't like to have it, the engine running as I'm doing that. Just to go quietly. Hi again. That was a nightmare. I got off and pushed. Anyway, people, as I was saying, just kind of lost some of the video logging mojo. Seem to do it in bursts these days. I do a whole bunch of editing and videos and I queue them up, and then I don't do some for a while. So apologies if you've been seeing stuff that was recorded a while ago. But it is what we need to do. We can only do videos when we have time. And I just haven't had the inspiration. I haven't really had anything to talk about because it's all... I'm a very dull boy. Just work, 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 you know. Taking care of business and feeding the family. I'm sure you don't want to hear me talk about that all the time. From traffic light to traffic light. Lovely. Joy, joy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. But it's not just work. I did a video at the beginning of the year outlining all of those things that I wanted to do. I've done some of them. I'll put a link back to that video here. And so I wanted to do a tour of the parks in the north of England, and I did that. I wanted to visit my sister and my mum My sister lives in Amsterdam and my mum went to visit her. I got to do that a few times. I went with my daughter and my wife, and we spent some good time together. I have actually just been to see my sister again because she's newly married. As you know, I missed her wedding because I got COVID, and she just had a baby, a beautiful new niece for Noob. And so I went to, help out my sister and help look after the baby for a little bit over the weekend. So that was lovely. That was very uplifting for the spirit. I didn't get to do some things, so I didn't get to travel to Japan this year because all that stuff got cancelled, and we ended up doing the course ended up happening online, but I elected not to do that because I just didn't see the point. So I didn't get to go and visit Japan. But Japan came to the UK. Bike Hub Japan, TJ, moved back to the UK. He seems to be doing alright. I actually donated him my old showy white helmet, and he seems to be enjoying it, and that helped him get back on the road. So looking forward to some more content there, TJ. That's it really, just to let you know I'm still alive. I just haven't been working a lot on new videos. It will happen when it happens. At the moment I still have a little bit of a buffer and a backlog of videos. There's a little bit more of my running commentary video, part 3. I got another video with the Scram. That's going to come up at some stage. I'm working on some stuff I did earlier in the year, like the bike safe video, but I think I got very ambitious with the type of content I wanted to put on that. It's become a little bit of a nightmare to put together. Created a rod for my own back there, but it will come together at some point. The days are getting shorter and colder. That doesn't stop me biking. I try to go all year round. How about you? As we hit November, what plans did you have for the year and how did you do with them? How much adjustment to your plans did you have to do? Are you happy with how your year turned out? What you did and what you achieved, and what you had to cancel? Everybody's got a plan. I think it's the famous Mike Tyson quote, isn't it? Everybody's got a plan until they get smacked in the mouth. So those were my plans. I got smacked in the mouth a little bit, but I think I gave as good as I got. Come on, come on, come on. Oh boy. There's just more of this for another half an hour at least. Joy. So I'm going to leave you for now. Lots of filtering fun today. Dealing with rush hour traffic in London on a tube strike day. Thought you'd enjoy that. Well, whatever your thoughts are, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe. And tell all your friends about the NooBiker channel and how awesome it is. Please, pretty please, sugar on top. And I'll catch you in the next one, but for now it's see you later.